everyone, hope you guys doing well. I'm Nikita and welcome to my channel. But before start this video, I want all you guys to tell you that this video is going to be so beneficial for you if you are beginner or want to learn the correct step by step method from basic. But for this, you must need to watch till end. So yeah, without further delay, let's get into video. The first and most important step before start actual makeup is your skincare. Never ever skip this step, guys, because it is not only important for your good looking makeup but also prevent your skin from all the further chemical based product you are going to use on your face. Use moisturizer based on your skin type for good hydration, and don't forget to apply lip balm. Now the second step is primer, which blur your pores and smoothen your skin and also help to decrease the production of oil throughout the day and provide extra hydration to your skin. Now comes to a third step, which is color correction, which we use to cancel out discoloration on the face, mostly under eyes dark circle. So if your skin type is medium to dusky, then use orange color correction, and if your skin is too fair, then use a peach color corrector. Green use when there is a redness on your skin. Now, the first step is foundation. All of you guys already know that how important this step is. Mostly mistakes are happened here. You guys always remember, no matter what, your foundation has to match your skin tone. If you thought using light shade can brighten your face, so no guys, after some time your face look more darker. Now comes to a face highlighting, which help you to enhance your facial feature. Make sure that your concealer has to be one or two shade lighter. Don't use too much product at a one go. Now it's time to counter the face. Actually, it just create a shadow on your face by which it's look more slimmer. Also help define facial features such as higher cheekbone and chin, jaw, also thinner bridge of your nose. For countering and highlighting, I'm using Inside Concealer palette. Now blush, and it is one of my favorite part of makeup. Actually this add the healthy glow to your face, and also this is a great way to add a pop of color to your makeup look. Then add powder to lock your makeup, which also help to absorb excess moisture of foundation. Now it's time to start eye makeup, where the most important step to shape and define your eyebrows by using good eyebrow filler, and always remember to start from middle of your eyebrow. And here I'm using Swiss Beauty eyebrow filling palette. Then eyeshadow, and here I'm using new shade, which is a light brown. It has to be well blended so it's look more nicer. Then I add peach color to outer corner of my eyes. Then I use insect eyeliner and create a wing eyeliner. Try to curl your lashes before applying mascara so that it look more elongated. And I prefer to invest in a good mascara so that you always don't need to apply fake eyelashes, and I think everybody knows how uncomfortable these are. And at the end I always set my eyebrows with a mascara brush. Then I'm using highlighter, and actually it attract a light and lift your bone structure. You can see the difference, and I always like to apply highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. It look really beautiful. And I end this makeup with a lipstick. If you guys want to know the product I'm using, all are in description box so that you can check it out there. And here is the final look. So yeah, that's it about the whole tutorial. I hope you like it and understand. But before going to end this video, I want all you guys to make sure that you subscribe to the channel, also like the video and comment if you have any doubt. I will try my best to answer it. So see you all in the next video. Till bye bye.